Okay, so I made this this skeleton to continue the trash, and at the end is going to be a room, so we can come in from the kitchen door inside. So it was like kind of like too dark. So, but I think I did pretty good. It was really windy last night and last evening, and yeah, and it's getting cold. So I just come out like a couple of hours, 1 or 2 hours. At this time right now it's 3 o'clock, and it's going to get dark at 4 o'clock. So I have to wait till my pills start working, and I feel like coming out and doing something. The wind has dropped a little bit, so I'm just gonna go and secure this, um, and take it as it comes. See you. see what's up here. I got to secure this guy here. Oh. Whew. This is the extra hole I had, and so now I'm just going to use it for another piece of strong wood that I have, and it's going to be extra support for the beam and leg, and yeah. I took the easy part out. Now it comes to the hard part. I'm sure you could do it better, but I do my best. I do what I can, okay? So you can laugh as much as you want, but I'll show you when this is done, okay? All right, peace. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you. All that preparation, and was getting ready to put the first piece on and start a snowstorm. Whoa. What a weather.
Hovedpine kan opstå af mange årsager. Prøv Panodil Zap, der lindrer smerten hurtigt. Fås på apoteket og i dagligvarehandlen.
this in here. I gotta show you this guy. And it's absolutely, some of them, and I close some of these like that, but absolutely somebody lives in there. There is two, one and the other one, and also in here. So I'm gonna close all this, but eventually here I'm going to build, and all this side is going to be a building, and we're gonna come high up. So yeah, that's gotta be close. I got my camera up here and a light up there, so but this camera I bought it in advertising from internet, from the website. So I bought two of them, and I could come up with the idea to put this inside this glass lamp outside, and kind of like protect it from the rain and stuff. So it came out pretty cool. But when I go inside, then there is no internet connection. But it's really crazy website. I give you a tour on this guy, and I let you know if it's worth to buy this camera or not. And here I have my electricity inside here, right there, and which I made a kind of like door for this, and I put two screws in here, one here and one here, and close it so so nobody can come and mess with it. I made a gate, yes, and this project of these trees. Man, it's freezing. It's freezing. So I have to get all these right there. Yeah, plant them. I got 14 left, and I got them away from the fence because I want to run the lawnmower machine back here all the way. So and you know, it takes about 7 to 10 years till these are going to be a real tree. Yeah. So I got the axe, right, 13 centimeter. So this is for now. Let's see how many of these I can dig in. So we got the snow today. This is so beautiful, awesome. Look how much snow on my car. It's kind of weird because I just called some of my friends from the old town that I was living in. The old town, it's just half an hour drive north of here, and they said it's totally dry and sunshine. And then from here to south, we got at least 10 centimeter snow. So far, my isolation that I made all the way around, it's keeping it nice and warm. And I was a little bit concerned of all the pipes under is going to freeze, water pipes, and fortunately the isolation I made, it's good enough. And this is snow, actually it's going to isolate some more, so all the way around. All my flowers are under the snow. I hope they don't freeze and they come back to life. So yeah. This is morning news, Sunday, I don't know the date, yes. Sunday something in November. Yeah, Sunday 20th. November 20th. And if you're wondering what I'm using to heat this place, look, this is it, dude. This is it. There is one here and one back there. So both of them are on thermostat, and I adjust it so I can get some. Right now is 19.1, and it's coming up more. And this is another one I got in here is off. You don't hear it because I turn it down. The temperature is it's 19 centigrade, so I don't have to get both of them. So this is my both computers. I have to make today's episode Sunday. I put one episode out every Sunday. But yeah, it was in broadcast that it's gonna come snow, but I had no idea it's gonna be so much snow. But it's cool. It's nice and warm. I got everything I need. Freezer is filled up. Got all kinds of food, meat, everything, drinks. So I'm sitting and doing some work on the computer, designing for the building that I'm going to build right here alongside where my car is. And this is going to be open. This window is going to be a door or opening to the other side with one step down. And it's going to be a nice long living room. At the end it's going to be a bedroom. And yeah, we're just going to use the kitchen and bed and toilet here. Yes. I got gas under here. Gas for burning gas, yes. I got convention electric right here. And air fryer, which right at the moment I'm only using my air fryer. So I'm very happy with it. Got 3-liter wine. Zinfandel, California. Outlaw. Okay, so I just want to show you around a little bit. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you next time.